Ready?
Ready.
Microphone. Good morning, YouTube. Well, it's been a minute since we've done an update video.
Good morning.
Welcome back. My name's Brian.
I'm Steph.
And we like to turn old garages into cabins at the lake, and we're currently working on 2 projects. Look at where we're at on the stairs here and getting things finished under the stairs. That looks fantastic. Steph's been hard at work at all this. Getting this finally covered up.
Gonna do
You can do that.
these parts. Boop, boop.
You're gonna stencil it with the parchment paper, right?
I am. We'll see how that goes.
Use a 4x8 sheet and cut it out.
Yeah.
But the real progress is happening over at Abandoned Garage Cottage House number 2. So let's go hang out over there. Look at all the Halloween decorations. Where are you putting them all?
It's not raining, so I'm just putting them outside so I have space in there.
Whose cat is that?
Hi, buddy.
Oh boy.
You be good.
Ready?
Yep. You have shoes?
They're right here.
Oh.
Well, it's a beautiful day over the lake out there. Look at that.
Whoa. Seal. Just take
Seal the
one.
what?
Oh, Walters.
Oh yeah. That time of year.
They migrate. We learned this year.
Yep. Well, we're here. Just like that. This is our second old garage cottage house, this patio door. It used to be a garage opening, and we cut the roof off, built the loft upstairs, and put this roof on. Drywall's done. Shall we go check it out? Oh yeah, only a little bit of drywall work was done, I think.
Oh, yeah. Nice
Just a tiny bit,
setup.
huh?
Nice.
Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Okay, let's go. No, we haven't seen this yet.
No.
Nobody has seen this yet, camera included. Here we go! Well, there's fans on. That's why the insulation's in here.
Oh, it's actually not too bad.
Trying to dry.
Kind of warm. Oh, yeah. Buddy.
Holy!
It looks like a house.
What do you think?
Wow. Oh.
Where's this fan I'm hearing? It must be upstairs.
Wow.
Let me check out this bathroom. Oh yeah, the green moisture drywall. Look at this, there's a bathroom.
Have to
Well,
say,
look at like the guy that does the mud and tape and drywall. We've had done at 4 properties over the years.
amazing.
Amazing.
He's so good.
No sanding. This is all done.
Wow.
No sanding. He just muds full time. He's always got a dozen houses on the go, so he does a mud job to the next, mud to the next, mud to the next, and the next day sort of repeats the process. Fine coat all the way along. Look at the ceiling. Pot lights will be going in soon. Holy, this is still open because
So
Steph was
good.
like, we want to reconfigure this, and we haven't had a meeting since, so nobody knows what to do up there.
I want them to be cabinets.
Look at this. And the original beam is still exposed. We said just butt up to it. This will be a coat rack or something.
Question
Go ahead.
for you and everybody.
Go ahead.
Should the cabinets be a standard height or should they go all the way to the ceiling?
Should the cabinets go to the ceiling or be a standard height?
What do you think?
Let us know. This is a 10, 11 foot ceiling. It's massive because it was a garage. So reaching up there, you know, It's tall in here. Want to go check upstairs?
I do. They're not going to be able to hear us, though, with that fan.
Yeah, I know. We'll turn it off when we get there.
Oh, it looks so good.
Yeah.
The angles upstairs are going to look amazing.
That's what I want to see, is all the angles for all the dormers. And look at this. This is where the hot water tank's going. It's going to be another closet here. This is where the garage was. That was a big garage door opening. We went out 4 feet at the back. We put this addition on here, and we poured this. Did a 4-foot foundation all the way around the exterior, and then we built the second story upstairs. Let's go! Shall we go?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this was the original, right? We went this far?
Was the original exterior wall. We went out 4 feet so that we could put services right here, plumbing services out to the street, come in here. This is all where the addition is, right there. Hear that fan? Someone's been here recently. Look at this.
What's...
I can't, like, it's just...
They cut...
Look at that.
Wow.
Here, can we just unplug this temporarily? There we go.
Now you can hear.
Now you can hear. Okay, I'm gonna put this down.
This is what you use, right? With the little the hard metal?
Yeah. I don't often use the metal cord around, but I use plastic.
You probably use it on all the outside corners.
Outside quarters, yeah. Metal outside on the quarters, because corners get hit, corners fall, just like cameras. Are you still there? They're still there. We're talking about the metal quarter round for the outside corners. Here, look at this though. Look at that.
Look at how sharp
nice
he does
work.
The inside corner. Look at that.
Oh, I like that. Look at that little texture we got going on here. The drywall guy was really excited about this job.
Yeah.
I see why. More to dust in that little track. This is where the upstairs head unit's going to go, multi-split. So the heat source, air conditioning, is going to get mounted on this wall. The electrical was done first, but we had to get the drywall up before we could mount the head unit there. And this is the brand new loft bedroom, almost 300 square feet, located right at Lake Erie.
This is amazing.
Can you even believe it?
It looks so good.
Do you remember when this process started? April 2023? And then in May of 2024, we began, well, all of this, putting in this window. None of this was here in this upstairs space. And so we've got a beautiful view here. Sunrise is out back that way.
Beautiful view of the tree. Like, all you have is green right there.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous.
It's gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Look at this track here too. Great, great, great. Fire alarm, pot light, ceiling fan. Plug it back in. Is this our extension cord? No, it's there.
No. Power fist!
Luke! I am your father. Why do you think this is here? What's that for?
I don't know.
It's temporary. Why is that there? Oh, they probably had the scaffolding on the floor on wheels, so it didn't come over the edge. That's my guess.
That would be safe.
Yeah, this scaffolding right here. Yep, that was probably upstairs.
Babe, this looks great.
It looks, can you even believe it?
I can't. Maybe we do have to move here.
We're gonna move here and then let them finish our place at home. That's 4 years in the making. Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's give you a quick show of what it looks like outside today. You going out the front door?
Yeah.
Okay, let me lock this one. Where are the keys? In the door?
Yeah.
Nope. Let's try this again. Okay, meet you outside. What are you looking at?
I was wondering where that extension cord was plugged in.
Oh.
So much. It's so beautiful when it's a new
When it's a new box, new panel there?
Yeah.
Yeah. And this just, I can't believe it. It's so good. It's so tall. Like for reference, this is 6 feet right here, top of this patio door. So I'm gonna put you on the scaffolding. Right, I'm 5'10", another 2 feet from my hands. That ceiling is 10 feet, 11 feet. You can feel it too when you're down here. Let's go outside. Where did I put the keys? I don't know where the keys are. Holy, good call. Hey, you wanna check out outside and go to the beach? There's the original stack. So the dormer didn't exist, right? We knocked the roof off, made it taller, and all this siding down to the ground. And this is where the split unit's going to go on the outside of the building. This is where the plumbing needs to get connected to the street. Hasn't happened yet. Obviously there's the clean out, so wastewater and then municipal water coming in. Take you around back though. So much cleanup back here. But this is, look at it. So there'll be a split unit there. This tree line's the property line, so you can still get a vehicle in here. And we can still develop the property next door. We'll probably drop a shed right here on this corner. But look at that from the outside. The dormer's new on this side. This was a flatter roof, so we went up to create the loft space and a dormer on either side. And we dug this foundation too, all the way around, 4 feet underground, all kinds of video content on that. Head back to May of 2023 when this adventure started. Let's go to the beach, just down the street. To the left, north shore of Lake Erie. Hello, gorgeous. Look at it out here today. Lake Erie's North Shore, southern Ontario, Canada. Facing Michigan, Ohio is way that way. It's a freshwater lake, the shallowest Great Lake, right?
Yeah.
Which is why it keeps the heat, which makes us, you know, our summer season lasts longer in this part of Ontario.
Why this tree right here is still green. And up the street it won't be.
Yeah, you see all that red in there?
Woo!
Here we are. Oh, it's gorgeous today. Look at all that sand. Sometimes the water touches the break wall. Okay, here we are. Hopefully you can hear me with the wind. That's what this is for. Welcome to Lake Erie's North Shore. We're building 2 garage tiny homes, and we also operate a publishing company. So if you're new around here, shout out to Joanna Johnson, David Houle, two newest members of the Codebreaker leadership team. Stay tuned for their books in 2025. David has toured the world singing, performing. He's performed collaborations with Cyndi Lauper. He's performed with Marilyn Manson. He's been a lead in Cirque du Soleil. Joanna Johnson is a vice principal in Ajax, outside Toronto, Ontario, Canada, with a whopping 3 million followers on TikTok. So big things happening in the Codebreaker publishing space. But wanted to hop on here and give you all an update video on the garage build, because that's what we were doing full time all summer long. Remember, we did 50 videos there in 50 days, July and August, and then we blinked, and here we are on the verge of Halloween. Find any beach class? So, that's what's new in this neck of the woods with the publishing and with the building stuff that's happening. The seasons are changing, and that's all we got for you. So, thank you for sticking by us and hanging out with us. Sometimes we do these video streaks, you know, days, consecutive days, and sometimes we disappear for a while, but school startup was busy, and we do work heavy in the education space, the publishing world. And now that we're, you know, middle of October, 6 weeks into the official school season, our world blew up like it normally does. Anyway, peace and love from Canada's most southern mainland shoreline. Give somebody close to you out and tell them they matter. Don't forget you matter. If you're still here, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave us a comment down below. Tweet us at your grandma. Catch y'all on the next one.